Welcome to TechieLeaper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix display to zoomed in on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, make sure you're on your desktop, then just right click on it and go to display settings. Then just expand this and scroll down a little bit, and from here you're gonna find scale and layout. Under this, you're gonna see change the size of text, apps, and other items. And just expand this, and if it's too zoomed in, try to switch to the recommended size, which is 100 for me. As you can see, the text already went small. And if this doesn't suit you, try changing the settings. You could go to 150 or probably 175. Just try around whichever you like. I like 125, so I'm gonna select that. And after setting that up, what you have to do is go to display resolution. Then just change the resolution. I recommend that you go with the recommended one. For me, it's 1920 by 180 or 1080 rather. I'll just select that. And after that, my display should be fixed. And your display should be fixed as well if you select the right amount. And after that, that's about it. And basically that is how to fix display to zoomed in on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.